goes. There it goes. He dropped it. Pick it up, RJ. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Yeah, it started.
There you go.
You gotta get that rope, Rob.
I know. I gotta bring it out.
Let's go. Where is it?
It's in the door, behind my door. Oh, he's breaking it off. As long as you don't eat it. There they go again, laying down. RJ.
What's he loving that fucking?
Just throw it over there. Just throw it. Just throw it. There it goes. Wait till one of them grabs the other one.
That's a beastie.
Rusty's a motherfucker. Look at that shit. He's like, what, nigga? You ain't touching this? Oh, there they go. There they go. They got it. All right. Now, guys, I want you, one of them stand over by the driveway so they don't go that way. Grab it, RJ. Grab it. Pull. 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 I just don't want him to go that way. I'm getting all this recorded. See, they need this. Oh, he got it! He got it! He got it!
Yo,
RJ's pissed! Rusty was mad!
Rusty took that shit right back. Yo.
Yo, I gotta show this to Rob, yo.
You gotta send that to that.
I don't know if I can. Maybe I'll try.
Yo, Rusty took that shit right back out his mouth.
Tug of war, man.
That shit so beastie.
Yo, that was the funniest shit I've ever seen. Yo, RJ took it out, Rusty took the shit right back.
It's like they fucking do that. They're really crazy.
See, Rusty got the advantage. You can smack him with that thing. He's smacking him with it. See it? He's smacking him with that loose piece. See, look, he smacks him with. Yo, this would be like the perfect time to smoke a blunt and laugh at these niggas.
RJ sound tired, right? You hear him panting?
Rusty's like, age is nothing but a number, nigga.
I got you, son. Father and son.
Rusty got locked, yo. He can't.
He ain't letting that piece go. He got the bigger chunk.
He got that big chunk, yo. That's all Rusty.
He's just trying to shake that piece off him. I think RJ is tired. Yeah, look at it. He sound like he didn't even try it.
Rusty won. Rusty got the whole chunk.
This is about to be a 5-minute video. Oh, go inside, go inside. Alright, guys.